Welcome back to AI Money, folks. Today, we're diving into a meaningful and impactful topic: how AI is transforming sustainable investing. If you want to align your investment portfolio with your values and support companies that are making a positive impact on the world, this video is for you. So, grab a seat and let's get into it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for more top-notch content on AI and finance. First, let's talk about what sustainable investing is. Sustainable investing, also known as ESG investing, focuses on environmental, social, and governance criteria. It's about investing in companies that are not only profitable, but also contribute positively to society and the environment. Traditionally, identifying such companies required extensive research, but AI is changing the game. AI can analyze vast amounts of data from multiple sources to evaluate a company's ESG performance. This includes everything from financial reports and sustainability disclosures to news articles and social media posts. By processing this data, AI can provide a comprehensive assessment of a company's impact, helping investors make informed decisions that align with their values. One of the key benefits of using AI for sustainable investing is the ability to quickly identify ESG leaders and laggards. AI can screen thousands of companies and rank them based on their ESG scores. This allows you to build a portfolio that supports companies with strong sustainability practices while avoiding those that fall short. AI also helps in tracking and measuring the impact of your investments. By continuously monitoring the ESG performance of the companies in your portfolio, AI can provide real-time insights and alerts. If a company's ESG rating drops due to a negative event, such as a pollution incident or a governance scandal, AI can notify you so that you can take appropriate action. Moreover, AI can help uncover hidden risks and opportunities. For example, AI can analyze supply chain data to identify companies that might be at risk due to environmental regulations or social issues. It can also highlight companies that are making innovative strides in sustainability, presenting new investment opportunities. Another exciting development is the use of AI in creating custom ESG portfolios. AI-driven platforms can tailor investment portfolios to your specific values and goals. Whether you're passionate about renewable energy, social justice, or corporate transparency, AI can help you invest in a way that reflects your principles. So how can you get started with AI-powered sustainable investing? There are several platforms and tools available that utilize AI to enhance ESG investing. Some popular ones include Sustainalytics, MSCI ESG Research, and True Value Labs. These platforms offer various features like ESG ratings, impact analysis, and portfolio customization to help you invest sustainably. Remember, while AI offers powerful tools for sustainable investing, it's also important to stay engaged and informed. Keep up with the latest ESG trends, continually educate yourself about sustainability issues, and use AI as a tool to enhance your investment strategy, not replace your judgment. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow investors who care about making a positive impact. And as always, subscribe to AI Money and hit the notification bell for more tips and insights on AI and finance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheerio!